What's up, everybody? This is Dan the Chicken Man reviewing whatever he's going to review today. This is the last episode of season 1. Stay tuned for more. Season 2 will come at January time also. In the meantime, you can check out my other videos, uploads every Thursday. Let's get on with it.
Yeah, today I'll be Dan the Pita Man, or Dan the Naan man, oh god, whatever you like to call me. Let's get on with it. I'd rather get this out of the way because thankfully I want my my family to no longer be hostages. So yeah, by the way, I've been kidnapped by terrorists. This is what this is. So I believe this is the Naan, whatever you call it. I'm not talking about you, Nan. You know what? Looking at this, I thought it would be dry and boring. In actual fact, it tastes almost as good as I do. Okay, time to move on to the pita. The pita tastes drier, almost as dry as my jokes. Not that dry though. It's pretty good. You want some? Take some. Let's just take a look at this lovely texture. Just look at that. That's so sexy. Oh fuck!
Alright, it seems like we have a problem. We've got some shit, never mind.
Listen, I can't see, the light's too bright. It's like I'm being abducted by aliens. Oh look, he's my servant. You may be wondering what happened to all my stuff. Well, it's on the ground now, and thankfully I can't see, so I can't pick it up. I'm going to enjoy my Naan now. This season has been fantastic. It's been fantastic, guys. I don't know what else to say. I'm tired. It's Friday. I want to go home. Please, just let me go home. Jesus Christ.
Special thanks to Spencer. Links in the description to his channel. Make sure you sub to him.
Right, you know what? Thank you. It's all over. I'm going to enjoy my Naan now.